Hello, Greater Bay Area small business owners. Today we are in downtown Palo Alto to share 3 secret tips to get people through your door and to your website this holiday season to battle those big box stores. And we have some on-demand webinars that you never knew existed that you have to check out. And if an exit strategy is in the cards for you, we have the ultimate resource that you never knew existed that you definitely have to look up. So get ready, let's go. Okay, today's first segment is all about battling the big box stores. And I have 3 secret ways that most people don't know about in which to do that, especially the big box stores. So first up, treat your VIP customers like royalty. And one way to do that is to use Instagram's close friends option. Over to the side here, I'm gonna show you how to access it. But basically, it's a way in which to send a designated group of people that are on Instagram a special message, video, story. It can be all sorts of things, but it only goes to those people. So just think about that. That's a huge opportunity, so you're not going into their inbox or anywhere else that is overloaded and they're probably not going to see you. This one stands out, so be sure to use it. Okay, so our second tactic is to take some time to list out all the differentiating factors that make you much, much better than the big box stores. Could be your delivery methods, your customer experience, etc. Second step is to take your wordsmithing skills and put that into a very succinct, power-packed set of sentences. Maybe it's 1, maybe it's 2. And then you take those phrases, those sentences, and you put that into every post that you put out there. Because doing something once, it's not going to be consistently seen by your customers or potential customers. But if you put that as kind of a footer in every post that you do on Instagram and Facebook and everywhere else, chances are your fans are going to see that consistently. And it does take a few times for people to get it into their heads that you actually do that. The bonus tip with all this is in Canva, and I'll show you over here in the graphic, I'll show you how to essentially create your own GIF or create your own sticker. So use Canva or your preferred platform for creating graphics, and I'll show you the secret way to actually layer on additional photos or images or GIFs onto your Instagram stickers. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Super simple. So our third tactic is all about using video, and you knew that was coming because I am a big fan of video. But here's how you use it. Say you have 20 products or services that you really want to have move and be sold this holiday season. Take each one and get into the details. Show your customers when you put it out to the world, whether it's through your e-newsletter or social media, why it's perfect for them. Describe it on camera. Show the height, the length, the width, the fabrics that are used, how it's used. Just show every single detail, the colors that it comes in, the sizes that it comes in. Describe all that and show it to them. Don't just take one picture and bank on them reading a big old paragraph about it. Show them on camera. You don't have to go on camera. You can be behind the camera, but describe it verbally. And the bonus tip here is to actually see if you can get one of your VIP customers to do it for you. That way, when your target customers that are watching it, wherever they see your target customer, they go, oh, that's perfect. She's using it. He's using it. That's me, basically. I'm that person. I should check that product out. So use video, but do it strategically and walk people through how to use it and how it's going to make them happier, healthier. They're going to save more money. Whatever the case may be, show them how it's used and why it's perfect for them. Okay, so our next segment is about some on-demand webinars, 3 in fact, that you probably never knew existed. And they are on demand. You don't need to be there when they air because they already exist. They're sitting there waiting for you. So the first one is all about adding hospitality to your takeout operation. Put some fun into it. Get your customers excited about the whole experience because it's not going away anytime soon. The second one is all about how to deal with an employee or a team member coming down with COVID. A lot of variables, a lot of issues that you have to deal with. The third one, and I hope that you're not having to go through this, but if you're considering bankruptcy, you need to be educated as to how to go about it and all the options. So that is the third one. So below this video, I have the links to all of those to access them anytime that you see fit that works with your schedule. So enjoy. Okay, so our last segment of this episode is all about planning your exit strategy. Do not go about this on your own. You do need a professional to help you through it and to look at all the options. And my number one resource, you've heard me tell you a million times, have your small business development center that's in your area help you with this. There are business planners on board and they can give you free advice and really walk you through everything that you need to do it strategically and to be smart about it. So check out your local SBDC. The link below is where you can get the links to your local SBDC, as there's 17 of them throughout Northern California. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Hopefully you got some value out of this episode with all the tactics and resources that we shared with you. Remember, everything is down below this video, all the links to get all the information that we talked about. So in the meantime, I want to thank our presenting sponsor, your local small business development center. Ours is in Santa Cruz at santacruzsbdc.org. You can find yours in Monterey County at calcoastalsbdc.com. And if you're anywhere throughout Northern California, there's 17 other small business development centers. AskSBDC.com is where you want to go to find yours. So until our next episode, be sure to go to bryceroot.com. We've done so many vlogs and loaded up the site with all sorts of resources so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. So just use the search function, type in any business or marketing term you want to learn more about, and localized results will pop up so you can get what you need to go big with your business. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.